Hey everybody, welcome back to this new tutorial. So this is a offsite tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna learn you guys how to make a NPM package in JS. So let's get started right now. So first of all, what you want to do is create a JS tutorial, a repository on this GitHub. So here I created mine already, and you're gonna open it in Visual Studio Code. So right here. Visual Studio Code. And now what you're gonna do is do npm edit. Full screen. So here's the package name. You should check always first if the name already exists on npm to avoid having issues later on. So here I'm gonna put mine, the version, description, simple npm package to learn how to make some JS. Entry point index, test command node test. I'm going to be creating a test file. The GitHub repository is going to be https github.com/r/js npm tutorial. There. Keywords I'm going to skip. Author here, there. Okay. So now, as you guys can see, there is a package.json file. So let's get started. I'm going to create an index.js file, and a test.js here. So for the test.js, we're going to be saying const package equal require dot. So dot is to get the current package. So we're gonna be going back to index.js, and we're gonna be creating multiple things. So I'm gonna put a module.exports on the bottom with an object, since we're gonna be exporting multiple things. Okay, simple explanation. You guys can see also export. So the difference between this is, since this is the main file, it works, whereas with export it works from any file. So this is the main difference. So I'm going to be using export in case. Okay, so here we're going to be defining multiple things. So I'm going to start with a product. It's a very simple. Here it's just a tutorial on how to make the NPM package. I'm not going to be explaining what you should do inside it, since it's to you guys to make it. So I'm going to be putting constructor to name ID with this name to name, and this ID to ID here. And I'm gonna say, and I'm gonna add a function async get JSON here. Here to, so no params, and I'm gonna say here const JSON new object, not more new object, but more with this dot name, name equal this dot name, and here ID to this dot ID, and return JSON. So as you can see, right now we don't have anything on the package. So I'm gonna go back to export, and I'm gonna export the project. So here, as you guys can see, I'm gonna put a const project new product here, there, with the name of video npm.js, and I'm gonna say console log product get JSON there, and I'm gonna run the test command right now. And as you guys can see, we have a little error here. So what is missing here? Maybe it's let me check if it's this. Okay, so this is not here. So I'm saying to you guys, always use module exports and just wait for, oh, maybe it's as simple as export. No, okay, I'm just saying bad shit. So module exports this, so you just need to require them in the main file to export them. So I'm gonna run npm test now. Now we can see this is a promise, and it returns the name in video. Okay, so I'm gonna add one last thing for this tutorial version. I'm gonna say const package require package.json and const version equal package.version, and I'm gonna export version here. And as you guys can see, when I type package here, version is a property. So if I console log it, it's gonna return the current package version. So this is important if you're gonna creating a complex one where you need to check the version to do certain things according to that. So I'm gonna test one last thing, and as you guys can see right here, we get the 1.0.0 here. So to finish off this video, I'm going to be showing you how to publish it. So it's very simple. You need to connect yourself with npm connect. I'm not going to do it since I'm already connected. But one last thing is you need to do npm publish here. So I'm not going to be publishing it since I don't want to unnecessary code over to npm, since I want to have a clean npm. But you guys, once you worked on your npm package, you're gonna be here. Just need to put the notification code, but it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you guys learned a lot. If you guys have any issues or need help, don't hesitate to join my Discord, or even if you want to learn new things, or even have challenges to make, for example, a package. I'll catch you guys in the next video. So what I'm planning to do is how to make a package also, but in TS. It's quite different, and we'll be back for a new series. More on that soon. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.